This is 9.2 and 9.3 work together. So if you have your book, you can turn to page 254, and this will help us help you see what we're doing and kind of give you an example of what you missed if you were absent yesterday, and also for one of the classes that we did not quite finish. Reminder, you can fast forward this if you need to get to the part so you know how to do something. Okay, so on 9.2 we started the purchase journal. So if you look in your books, it says on October 2nd, we purchased merchandise on account from Pacific Supply, $3,252, P162. So you can see the three transactions in your book. This is page 10. Now, with the purchase journal, this is anything that you purchase. So like bought supplies on account or purchased merchandise. These are the types of things. So what we're going to do, the very first one, you put October 2nd, the date, Pacific Supply, purchase number 162. Please notice that you don't actually put the P for purchase number. You actually just put 162 because it already says purchase number. Account credited is the account that we will credit here in just a second when we post. And then notice that you have purchases debit and accounts payable credit. So it's easy to do your debits and credits because it's one column. So we put it in. Okay, purchase merchandise on account from Coastal Company on the 7th. $532, P163. Same process. 7th, Coastal Company, 163, 532. Reminder, that says purchases debit and this says accounts payable credit. On October 11th, we purchased merchandise on account from Yetman Designs, 866, P164. On the 11th, Yetman Designs, purchase number 164, purchase debit, accounts payable credit, 866. That is all of 9.2. You're just learning to put it into the purchase journal. You put it in by the date, the accounts payable account, because yesterday or in 9.1 we learned that the accounts payable is a separate ledger now. So we have accounts payable ledger. These are your vendors that you purchased whatever from. So it could be merchandise or supplies, or we'll probably call it merchandise from now on. All right, 9.3, what we will be doing is you'll be posting to the accounts payable ledger, and then you will be totaling the journal and posting purchases, debit, and accounts payable credit. So we left off yesterday, what we started in one of the classes, we got to putting these. So postage, so the accounts payable ledger is on the back of your sheet. So very first one is Pacific Supply for $3,252. Now you're probably wondering, do I debit or credit? Well, it says account credited right here. So we're going to credit Pacific Supply $3,252. So Pacific Supply, date is October 2nd, post reference is P10. Now why is it P? Because of the purchase journal. So that you're going to have different journals now. So this is the first one you're learning. Purchase journals P10, credit $3,252. Credit balance, we then take our vendor number 230 over here and we post reference. Okay, next thing, Coastal Company, 532 on the 7th. I can zoom in just a little bit for you guys. Coastal Company on the 7th, P10, that's what journal it comes from. Credit 532, credit balance, you add the amounts up. Take our vendor number. Once again, you can always pause this. I know I'm going kind of fast through it. 210. Take it back over here and have 210. On the 11th, Yetman Designs, purchase number 164, $866. The 11th, Yetman, 866. I might have said the wrong number. Okay, Yetman, 11th, P10, $866. You add it to the credit balance. Take your vendor number 250. Back over. And post it. Alright. The next thing we have to do is do the total. We total all the journals except for the general journal. So what we're going to do first, we find the end of the month, 31st, and total. You do a single rule, and then you're going to add up these three numbers for the total. Okay, 465. Once you get that number, you will double rule. Now, we must post this number to two different accounts. Purchases debit, DR is for debit, accounts payable credit. All right, doesn't matter which one we do first. So let's say we do purchases debit. So let's go find purchases debit 4,650. Purchases debit on the 31st, P10. It is a debit of 4,650. You add it to the debit, which makes it $94,128.25. This is your general ledger. This is what the kind of one you're used to, by the way. Notice that our account numbers are now 4 account numbers instead of 3. We are going to take 5,110. Come over here. And post it right here in parentheses. Okay, 5,110. We also have to go post it to accounts payable credit. So 4,650. We need to go post over here to accounts payable credit. Accounts payable credited 31 P10 4,650 for a total $10,783.53. That means we pay all the total amount we owe to vendors right now is $10,783.53. And then we take our accounts payable number, 2110, and we post that number right here. Okay, and that is your purchase journal and posting to the accounts payable ledger and the posting of the purchases debit and accounts payable credit. The next video will be over 9-4, which will be doing the cash payments journal, which is right down here. All right, so if you need help or anything, I'll be back tomorrow, but also you can fast forward and rewind if needed.